about just a few bulbs. Let's talk about 35 of them.
35. Why, David?
35, because 35 is better than 1.
35 years on QVC.
And that too.
And there we go.
All right. 35 years and 35 bulbs in this cut flower collection. This is brand new today with free shipping.
Amazing. And the price, David, about $1.20 a bulb, which is incredible for what you're getting. Now you're getting 3 different varieties. You're going to get the Crocosmia Lucifer. Now this is in the iris family. Then you're going to get that big, huge Dutch iris, and you're going to get it in the blue and the yellow, okay? And then the big, fat Liatris. These are plants that our deer and our rabbits don't like at all. Full sun, like me, I'm telling you. Now, this is the deal. You're going to get these home. You're going to get your hori-hori knife out, David, and you're going to plant them. And your hori-hori knife is going to make this so simple, so easy. Best cutting garden. The more you cut, the more flowers you're going to get. And these are perennials.
Meaning they'll come back every year?
Yeah, just like those college kids.
Or just like any kids?
Yes, absolutely.
They come back year after year after year. Now, let me ask you this. Typically, we plant bulbs in the fall.
Yes.
These are okay to plant in the spring?
When you get them, you're able to plant them, yes.
Will I see flowers this year?
You will see flowers on all of these this year, and then next year, more. And then you're going to take and separate these bulbs because they multiply like little bunnies. Yeah, I'm telling you. Why am I having such a hard time with words tonight? The Crocosmia is one of my favorites. It looks kind of like a lily to me, and I like that actually on the back side of the planter box or in a big, huge 14-inch container. So this is going to be your backdrop, okay?
Do these like a lot of sun or a little sun?
Full sun.
Full sun, like you.
Full sun, like me.
And these are indoor or outdoor plants, yes?
All outdoor plants.
Outdoor plants.
All outdoor
And do
plants.
they like a little bit of water or a lot of water?
They like water. They like water, absolutely.
Like a lot of water.
Yes, and you can use your fireman's hose nozzle for that.
And you will not plant these until it's safe to plant in your area. And there is a growing guide that is written uniquely to these flowers.
Yes.
So read it.
Read it.
Because Roxanne has spent some time, she and Larry, writing all of these and making sure that they're perfect, right?
Yes, absolutely perfect. So you're going to get 10 of the big Dutch iris. You're going to get 15 of the Liatris, these big boys here. You know, I've been over to a few flower shops, and these are like $3 to $5 for one stem, okay? And the Crocosmia, you're going to get 10 of those as well. So 35 total, guys.
The Crocosmia is
Crocosmia.
Sorry.
Crocosmia.
Is also called Lucifer?
Yes.
So Lucifer is red.
It's kind of a reddy orange.
That makes me think red-orange.
Right. And the hummingbirds, David, because it has that long tubular flower, they are so attracted to them. It's crazy. I love to cut them. I love to bring them inside. The flowers itself will last for at least 2 weeks. Even on my brain is just really left-sided today.
Liatris. It down, Liatris.
And then on the iris, oh my goodness.
I mean, how pretty are these if you're having a spring or summer dinner party?
Yes.
And you're having friends over, maybe wine out on the deck. And you've got a bunch of fresh flowers that you've grown.
Yes, yes.
You didn't buy them.
No, no.
You went to a store.
No.
You went out back and you picked them.
Yeah.
Or cut them.
You cut them. Bring them inside.
And the more you cut, the more it blooms.
That's right. That's true.
And do these come back every year?
They're going to come back every year.
Every year.
Every single year.
That is the quintessential definition of perennial.
Now, the thing that I love about this, you know, the iris, the Liatris, 15 below zero these will take till. So you don't have to worry about digging them up and putting them in a bag and storing them, you know.
Now, I know you're from Southern California.
Yes.
We have had one wallop of a winter so far here on the East Coast and in the Midwest and on the Pacific Northwest. I mean, and the southern states have really taken a hammering. And it's gotten super, super cold. You keep hearing these words, polar vortex. If I hear that one more time on the weather, I think I'm just going to scream. But it's important to know that no matter how cold it gets outside, these are fine.
They're fine, absolutely. But look at the size of this collection that you're going to get, David. Look at how many bulbs you're going to get, and look at how many flowers you're going to get from these bulbs. That's what I love most of all. You know, if we make it easy for you, if I make it effortless gardening, you are going to garden more. And that's what Ultimate Innovations is all about. I want you to enjoy the garden. I want you to love your garden. So you're gonna get your hori-hori knife out, guys. You're gonna take and plant these. You're gonna put the dirt on them. You're gonna water them. And guess what? It's okay to give them a little bit of fertilizer in the beginning, and then let them go to town. When they're done at the end of the season, the Liatris, you know what? I just let it go. The Crocosmia, I just let it go because the finches are going to come and eat the seed out of them and actually eat out of the flowers. So that's what I like to do, let them go. But these are gonna grow from Minnesota clear down to San Clemente, California, guys. And let me tell you, the beautiful colors of these three, it's so amazing to me. I am so conscientious about what I wear and what the colors I put together. But isn't it amazing, David, that you can put all these colors together and for some reason, Mother Nature just makes it all look stunning, and we will never show up to our garden ugly.
Don't show up ugly. Just don't do it. All right, we're going to be talking about lots of things in the hour, things that we're going to present and things that we will